Hello everyone, welcome to Quantsapp. First of all, thanks for joining me in this video. And before starting, before discussing about today's topic, if you haven't downloaded Quantsapp application, kindly download it at the earliest. The link for downloading the application is given in the description. So as soon as you download, you will be getting access to 25 free tools immediately. What you can do is you can definitely go and explore those free tools, okay, to optimize your trading. And apart from that, as you know, Quantsapp application has almost 70 to 80 tools, out of which 25 tools are free, which you will get immediately. You will get access to those 25 free tools. Apart from that, if you want to know more about the paid tools, what you can do is, see, this is the home page of Quantsapp. So as soon as you install, go to learn, go to video library. Now what is video library? So video library is basically the banks of videos. You will be having almost all the tools have been covered in the video library in 4 languages. See, you can sort it through the language like whichever you feel comfortable. We have it in English, Hindi, Marathi and Tamil. Okay, so what you can do is you can definitely go and check out all the paid tools of Quantsapp application in whichever language you feel comfortable. Okay. So let's get into today's topic. So already you might have seen it in the thumbnail. So today's topic is about, I would say, swing trading. Like what usually happens is people have time constraints, correct? Like they are usually unable to track the market for say 9 to 6, or they are usually unable to give decent time to the market, correct? So do you have any tool, okay, like for say I want to invest hardly 15 minutes in a day, okay, just 15 minutes, I would give a glance and I want a stock for the say next 1 week or 10 days or for an immediate swing in this, let's say 2 to 3 days. Okay, so let's talk about today's topic, which is price percentile. Okay, so before getting into the video, before getting into this topic, let me explain you the percentile concept. Okay, give me a second. Price OI percentile. So basically what is percentile? As you might have seen in the competitive exams like CAT, CET, usually this percentile concept is usually followed, correct? Like the one who secures the highest mark is usually given as 99 percentile. So somewhat similar concept we are going to use it in this topic as well. So let's proceed with this. Okay, so let's say, for example, let's assume there are 100 students in the class. Okay, there are 100 students. Okay, now out of these 100 students, okay, let's say one of the student has secured say 95 marks. Okay, 95 marks, and he is the first. Okay, and let's say another student has secured say 35 marks, and he is the last, I would say. Okay, let's say he is the last. So rest all the students are lying between these two. So here, as the first, like say this student has secured 95 marks, correct? So I would tag him as 99 percentile, you can say, not percentage, percentile. So let's say another student who has secured say 94 or 93, let's say he's second. Okay, let's assume he is second. So his percentile will be somewhere around, you can say 97, 98. So he is the first. So whichever is the first, we will usually give him 99 percentile, and the ones who come below him, it will be like accordingly we will give him 97, 98, whatever, it depends. Okay, so how to use the same concept now in stock market? Let's check this. Okay, so let's say a price has given a swing high, say a price has made a high, and then let's assume the price is consolidating for a while. Let's say we are assuming we are looking at the chart of say 180 days. Okay, 180 trading days. I am looking at the historical charts of say for the past 6 months chart. I am looking at it. Okay, the price has made a high and then the price is consolidating. Okay, so this high we will give it as 99 percentile. Okay, and now let's say after 2 months or 3 months the price is again approaching somewhere near to its recent high. Correct. So if the price is approaching its previous swing high, there are two possibilities. Correct. Either it might break out or it might retrace from that same level. Correct. So whenever the price is approaching near to its previous swing high, say you are observing the chart of 180 days, 90 days, 30 days, that is purely subjective, it's up to you. Okay, so let's say we are observing a chart of 180 days and the price has made a swing high and we are usually giving it as a 99 percentile, and then again the price is somewhere approaching its previous high. Okay, so in this case the price percentile will be somewhere over and above 90. Correct. That means the price is approaching its previous swing high. Now the question arises whether the price is going to breach the previous swing high or the price is going to fall from there. Correct. There are two possibilities. When the stock hits a resistance, there are two possibilities. Either the price will break out or the price might retrace from there. Correct. So now which component will give me a confirmation whether this breakout can sustain or whether this breakout is going to happen or whether the price is not going to cross that level? There comes open interest, that is OI. Okay, so say for example at the same time when the price percentile has crossed say 90 and at the same time even the OI is approaching somewhere around 90 or more than 90. Now what does that mean? Price is moving up, and when OI is also above 90, when OI is also strong, that means more and more participation is happening. Usually what happens, price moves up, but usually there is lack of participation, because of which we usually witness fake outs rather than a proper breakout. We usually end up like seeing a fake outs, or you can say fake breakout. Like we usually see a breakout and then the stock retraces immediately. That is because of lack of participation, you can say. So when you know price is approaching its previous swing high along with a strong participation, then we can expect a strong breakout. Correct. So the condition for finding a trade, the condition for finding a bullish trade, let's get into that condition. Let us check out. Give me a second. Okay, so the condition for finding first is bullish trade. The condition for finding a bullish trade. Okay, what are the condition? Price percentile. Price percentile should be more than 90 and OI percentile should also be more than 90. Okay, so if the price percentile is more than 90 and the OI percentile is also more than 90, that means price is moving higher and higher and it is going to approach its previous swing high along with participation. Okay, that is the most important thing. The price is approaching, that is fine, but along with it, if you get an participation as well, we can expect a decent breakout and we can expect a decent swing on the upside. Okay, so this is the condition for a bullish trade. Now say I want to find a bearish trade. Okay, so let me give you the condition, a bearish trade. Okay, here what I want, the price percentile, should be say below 10 and OI should be above 90. Okay, just take a snap of this, or just you can make a note of this as per your convenience. But in case of bullish trade, the price percentile should be above 90 and OI should also be above 90. Okay, but when it comes to finding a short trade, that is a swing on the downside, the price percentile should be somewhere around 10 or say below 10. Why? Because if the suppose say for example, let us see this. Okay, say price has formed a recent swing low and the price is moving this way. Now say again the price is approaching. This is the, we saw the example, correct? So this is the student who has secured the lowest mark, 35. Now again if a student is lying here, okay, so his percentile will be somewhere say around 10 because he will be getting 1 percentile, correct? Because he is the lowest, so he will be getting 1 percentile. Now the student who is standing just above him will be tagged as say 10 percentile or 5, depends. Okay, so if price is approaching its previous swing low, okay, if the price is approaching its previous swing low along with participation, because if you are expecting the price to break down, you are not supposed to compromise on OI, because participation is required. If there are more participation and if the price is going down, the same concept of future OI historical, like which we saw, say price is coming down and OI is moving up, price is coming down and OI is moving up, that is an indication of short built up. So we can expect the price to have a decent breakdown. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear. Let's go and check out how to use this. Give me a second. So let's get into the home page of Quantsapp. So this is the home page of Quantsapp application. Okay, so see, you can see the options of track, analyze, scan, trading. So let me get into analyze and see the last column. Can you see price and volume? So in price and volume, I am selecting the second option, that is price OI percentile. Okay, so as soon as I open this, this is what I can see. Now let me explain you the concept of price OI percentile. Here if you see, there is an option of search symbol. Say whichever stocks you want to search, say for example Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI, whichever you want to check, you can go and type the name of the stock. Now here comes the look back period. So 180 days, it is by default we have set it as 180 days because we have back tested it, and it is I would say a proven strategy, we can say. Rather, if you want to back test, you can do it in 90 days time frame, you can do it even on 7 days or 14 days, depends on you. Okay, but actually I would suggest you to go with this default. If you want to slightly reduce, because if you are using 180 days time frame, 180 days chart, you won't get number of trades, but the trades which you will get will be of quality trades, I would say. Okay, but if you want more number of trades, then you can reduce the time frame and accordingly you can search for the stocks. Okay, so here if you see, you can get actually you can see the overall sentiment of the market. Okay, here if you see price greater than 80, that means price greater than 80 percentile. How many stocks are there wherein the price percentile is greater than 80? So out of 187 FNO scripts, there are 136 stocks as of now wherein the price percentile is more than 80. Now 6 stocks are there wherein you can say price percentile is less than 20. Similarly for OI also it is given. So from here you can get an overall bird's eye view, I would say. Overall sentiment you can gauge from here. Okay, so that's all about the interface. Now let's get into it and let's check how this tool works. Okay, so as soon as you open this, what you are supposed to do, just click on this symbol. Okay, and can you see price percentile? Just click on this price percentile. So we are sorting it out from price percentile basis. Okay, now click on this arrow and let's do it in the descending order. Okay, so here you will be getting a list of all stocks. Now just go back to the previous example, like previous condition which we learnt. So what was the condition for finding a bullish trade? The condition for finding a bullish trade was price percentile should be above 90. You can see the script name is Apollo Tire. Price percentile is 99.44. That means the price is somewhere approaching its previous high of say 180 days. And if you see the OI is 72, that means the participation is not there. As of now in Apollo Tire, there is no enough participation. Okay, the condition was price should be above 90 and even the OI should be above 90. Okay, so here if you see, let's say for example, let us take here I cannot actually see any stock. Give me a second. Okay, IndiaMART. Okay, can you see IndiaMART over here? See IndiaMART. So here the price percentile is 99 and even the OI percentile is 90. So IndiaMART is fulfilling my condition of a bullish trade, correct? So am I supposed to go and enter into the trade immediately? The answer is no, because right now I have opened this screen and I am seeing that IndiaMART, the price is above 90 and OI is also above 90, but I don't know when this condition got triggered, that is when price and OI both approached 90. Was it today, was it yesterday, or was it 10 days back? I don't know, correct? So what you are supposed to do, whether you are on the right counter at the right time or not, in order to see that, what you are supposed to do is go to the symbol wise option. Here you can see an option, so just click on this and type IndiaMART. See, IndiaMART. Okay, so ignore this graph, okay, and just focus on the right hand side tabular format. Okay, so let us go and check out. Let's say the first time, if you can see, let me mark this. Give me a second. So check the date. Okay, 16th July. This is the day where price and OI both approached 90. Here if you see on 10th July, the price was above 90, even on 9th July, 10th July, 11th July, but there was no enough participation, correct? What I want price percentile to be above 90. Along with that, I need participation as well. So 16th July was the date wherein price percentile was above 90 and even OI approached 90. The price at that point in time was 2864. See, the immediate next day price was 2928 and then a slight retracement we can say, and then again the price started moving up. So as I said, this is a swing trading concept, a positional trading concept. So if you would have taken a position around say 16th July, see the price is somewhere by the time 24th, 25th July, you can see the price crossed 3000. Currently the price is trading at 3075. So approximately we can say a decent 200 points momentum, that is approximately we can say 7 to 8% returns we easily got, correct? Now let us go and check out one more stock. Let us check if there is any other stock. Okay, Page Industries. What is my condition? Price above 90 and also see Lupin. Again one more stock. Can you see? Again see Lupin. Price is above 90, OI is above 90. Am I supposed to go and take a trade immediately? No. I am supposed to see whether I am on this counter at the right time or not, correct? Because this is above 90, but when this got triggered, yesterday, day before yesterday, I don't know. Let me go to symbol wise. Let me type Lupin. Let me type Lupin. Okay. So let's check this. When the price and OI first time got triggered at 1990, let me go and check out my condition. The first time it got triggered was 4th of July. That is somewhere I would say 20-25 days back. 4th July. See, the price was 1760. Suppose you were on this counter at say 4th July or 5th July, this would have been an ideal scenario for a decent swing trade, correct? So post 4th July from 1760, the price went till say 1800 approximately. Immediately the price went in the next 2 to 3 days, you can see price went to 1800. Post that, now if you see the price is trading at 1880 approximately. So say if you would have entered the trade on 4th July at 1760 levels, immediately 1820. So a decent swing, 1840 also it went. So easily 60-70 point swing within a week you can easily capture, correct? Now the question arises, how am I supposed to trade this? Okay, before getting into this part, how to trade this, let's also check the conditions for the bearish trade. Now what was the condition for bearish trade? Price percentile should be below 10 and there is no compromise on OI. OI should be above 90. Why? When the price goes down along with a rising open interest, that is an indication of a short built up, correct? So let's go here. What I'll do is I'll sort by price percentile and let's do it in the ascending order. Now if you see IDFC First Bank, can you see the price is below 10 and OI is above 90. RBL Bank also, if you see, it is approaching somewhere around its previous swing low, I would say. Still the condition didn't get triggered. But one more thing I would like to add in this price percentile concept. Whenever you are planning a short trade, okay, not for the bullish trade, whenever you are planning a short trade, you can tweak this condition as per your convenience. Okay, sometimes even the price percentile below 20 and OI above 90 works well. Okay, but it is safe if you play when the price percentile is below 10 and OI is above 90. But if you want to tweak the condition, you can do it. Like say price percentile is below 20 and say OI is above 90, like RBL Bank, IndusInd Bank, if you see, Nestle India, BPCL. Okay, so these are the counters wherein you can go and plan a short trade. Okay, now see SBI cards, but here the price percentile is still, I would say, 27. So this is not the right time to go and short SBI cards. Okay, so if you see RBL Bank, IDFC First Bank, these are the stocks which you can plan. But the only thing is, you are supposed to go into the symbol wise option and you are supposed to check when this price approached these levels. Okay, and one more thing, whether to plan a bearish trade or a bullish trade, that you are supposed to figure out from this condition. Okay, now here from this you are getting an overall sentiment of the market. Now see, price percentile greater than 80, there are 136 stocks wherein the price percentile is greater than 80. So based on this, I can conclude that the overall sentiment is bullish as of now. So I won't go and plan a bearish trade. Correct. So I hope this tool, how to use this tool is very much clear. Now let's get into the strategies, like which strategy to be deployed, how you are supposed to trade this. Okay, say for example, you are finding any bullish trade. Okay, and say you are as of now you are away from the expiry. Let's say 15 days or 20 days are left for the expiry. You can go with naked call or put, but if you want to go with strategy, you can go with debit strategies. Correct. But if you are say very much near to the expiry, then at that point in time theta is always against you. Correct. The theta decay is very much fast. So at that time you can go with credit spreads. Okay, like say if you are planning a bullish trade, then you can go with a bull put spread rather than a bull call spread. Same for the downside. Now if you have any difficulty in understanding the strategies, what you can simply do is go to trading. Okay, there is an options architect. Say for example you are bullish as of now, so say long call, naked call, you can go short put, bull call spread. See, bull call spread and bull put spread option is there. So whichever you feel comfortable, you can opt for that strategies. Now say if you are bearish, okay, so again if you see a bear call spread is again a credit strategy, and bear put spread is again a debit strategy. So you are supposed to execute bear put spread when you are away from the expiry. If you are near to the expiry, in order to counter the theta decay effect, you can go with a bear call spread. That is purely subjective and it's up to you. Okay, so I hope this price percentile was very much effective and it will definitely help you in your trading. Okay, so try to as much as possible, if you like this video, kindly like this, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, so thanks for joining me in this video. Thank you very much.